Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So, 3 puzzles are left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku. This one is, well, interesting with 9 digits. 9 digits, yeah. 9 printed digits. Anyway, we will continue with this one. The Four Stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 8824. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one always has 24 printed digits. This 4 stars Sudoku. For 4 star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 4 2s. 3 3s. 2 4s. 4 5s. All right. 5 5s. Well, not 4 but 5. How about the 6s? 1 6. 2 7s. 2 8s. 2 9. So the 5s are a 2 and the 5s are a majority. Let me start with the 5 then. 5 5. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only place left with the 5 should be there. 5 5. 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5. Well, not good, not good. How about the 2s? 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Yeah. Need a 2 here. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. Last row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Shoot it down. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So on the wall above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 4. 4 4. 4 4 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. 2 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. 2 there. I'm with a 5 now. 5 5. I need a 5 there also. Need a 5 here, yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, row, so no 5 there. 5 in the row below, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the last row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. I need a 2 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Still cannot continue with the 2. And I cannot continue with the 5 here. No. How about the number? Need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. That means 2 numbers left in the first column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 9. Alright. And now, these 3 missing numbers in this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 7, and 8. Okay. How about? Need a 9. Yeah, need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only place left is 7, should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left is 7, should be there. 7 and 8, we have 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 8 goes there. We have a pair. 7 and a 5 in the third row, 7 and a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left is 7 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and 5, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. And look, we have 7 and 5 in this column, so no 7 and 5 in this box. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. And now, one of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have 1 in a second row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. Alright. Come on. Need a 3 here. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Need an 8 here. And I need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 3 here. Well, in this big square, we need a 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright? Okay. Need a 3 here. Then Need a 9. Need a 2. 2. 9, 2, and a 6. Yeah. 1, 8, 189, 189, 189. Come on, come on. 1, 6, 3. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 in these 3 boxes, so the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. No 3 here. Need a 3 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. That means the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in those 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. And if eliminated here, the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and the 5, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. These number 2, number 5. Need a 2 here. Alright, how about the 7s? And all the... Nope, need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Can I count the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and a 6. So here we have a 6, here we have a 6. That means in this column, the last column, we need a 6 there. 1 box left in this row for number 1 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and a 9. Yeah, it should be also 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. To the 9, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then need a 1 here, okay. 3 and 8. 8 and the 1. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. So 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, this jigsaw Sudoku has 9 printed digits. Alright, looking forward to solve that puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.